London dispersion. The attractive forces between the temporary dipole in one molecule and temporary induced dipole in an adjacent molecule are called London dispersion forces. Lowry Bronsted concepts of acids and bases. Acids are those species which give plot or have a tendency to give proton. Bases are those spec which accept proton or have a tendency to accept proton. Lyman series, a series of lines in the ultraviolet region of hydrogen spectrum which are obtained when electron jumps from higher orbits to the first orbit of hydrogen atom. Magnetic quantum number, the quantum number that defines the orientation of an orbital in a magnetic field. Mass spectrometer. It is the instrument employed to separate positively charged particles on the basis of their m.e. values and get the record on the photographic plate or electrometer. Metallic crystals. Those crystals in which the metal atoms are held together by metallic bonds. Molality small m, it is the number of moles of the solute dissolved in 1000 grams 1 kilogram of the solvent. Molarity capital M, it is the number of moles of the solute dissolved for the solution. Mole fraction of any component in a mixture is the ratio of the number of moles of it to the total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. Mole, a quantity which contains Avogadro's number of units, i.e. atoms, molecules, ions or whatever under consideration is called a mole. Molecular crystals, those crystals in which the molecules are held together by van der Waals forces. Molecular formula, a chemical formula which gives the total number of atoms present in a molecule of a substance. Molecular ions, those ions which are produced by the removal of one or more electron or electrons from the molecule of a substance are called molecular ions. They are mostly positive and rarely negative.